Now let's look at auto mode. This picture shows how to connect it. Next, let's demonstrate how to connect the signal box wires. First, prepare a wire stripper, flat screwdriver, green signal box plug, and 0.3 square millimeter wire. Strip the main wire to expose 10 internal wires. Take any internal wire and cut 3 pieces, each around 10 centimeters. After cutting, strip both ends about 1 centimeter. And after the 3 wires are connected in series, take out any 5 wires in the wire. Strip about 2 centimeters from the ends of the 5 wires. After stripping, connect one of the 5 wires to the previously connected 3 wires. Once connected, attach all 4 wires to the green plug. After both ends are connected, take out the signal box. The signal box is labeled with negative and positive terminals. Insert the connected end of 1 wire and 4 wires into the negative terminal. Insert the other end into the positive terminal. The signal box wiring is now complete. Next, we will connect the washer's internal soap dispenser signal. Using online diagrams, we found the soap dispenser area. From left to right are soap dispensers 1 to 5. Now, take out a multimeter to locate the common terminal. The common terminal is generally on the end level of the machine. The common terminal voltage is usually a stable 220 volts or 24 volts. Now, we can confirm this is the common terminal. Next, strip about 2 centimeters from the end of the signal box wires that were previously connected. Turn off the machine and attach all the connectors. Now all the wires are connected. Note, below, from left to right, are terminals 1 to 3, 4, which must correspond to soap dispensers 1 to 4 on the washing machine. Now 2 people are needed, 1 to press soap dispensers 1 to 4 at the front, and another to observe at the back. Let's activate soap dispenser 1. We can see the red light on 1 is lit. Soap dispensers 2. Soap dispensers 3. Soap dispensers 4. The red lights turn on in sequence. Next, we will connect the RJ45 connector to the network cable. Prepare a crimping tool, RJ45 connectors, and a network cable. Take one end of the cable and strip the outer sheath using the crimping tool. Separate all the internal wires. Arrange them in the order: white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. Align and straighten the wires. After arranging, leave about 1-2 cm and cut off the excess wire. Invert the RJ45 connector and insert the cable until fully seated. Ensure the wire ends align with the top of the connector. Crimp the RJ45 connector tightly. The network cable is now connected to the RJ45 connector. When connecting the network cable to the signal box and dispenser, use a cable tester to check the connection. Check if the network cable is connected properly. First, separate the main unit and the subunit. Then turn on the main unit switch to the power on position. When the power light flashes quickly, connect one end of the network cable to the main unit and the other end to the subunit. At this point, you should see signal lights from 1 to 8 flashing in sequence, indicating the cable is functioning properly. Now, insert the top end of the network cable into the signal box. Insert the other end of the network cable into the bottom port. You can see the power light remains on after inserting the cable. Now, let's send out the soap dispenser signal. When soap dispenser 1 is activated, both upper and lower lights turn on. Soap dispensers 2, 3, and 4 follow the same. Confirming successful wiring, ready for the next step. Now let's look at semi-auto mode. This picture shows the connection process. For semi-auto mode, just connect the signal box first and then install the formula selector.
Now we will install the micro formula selector onto the washing machine. Remove the main unit and the back panel. Install the back panel in the appropriate position on the washing machine. Install the micro formula selector onto the back panel. Open the back of the washing machine and install the signal box. After connecting the signal box, take an appropriate network cable and connect it to the signal box. Connect the other end of the network cable to the formula selector. Route the network cable to the front of the washing machine and connect it to the formula selector. Please note that the left and right sides are for connecting to the washing machine and the dispenser, respectively. Signal box into the washing machine port and connect the dispenser port to the dispenser. The formula selector is automatically powered on after connection.
Splanny.